The fundamentally current exchanging volume of torrential slide essentially is at $104,981,428. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram. Or so they basically thought. Avax United States dollar medium-term support explicitly remained at $13.68, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential slides EMA10, for the most part, shows a sort of descending pattern, or so they generally thought. 02 July 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified some pressing issues facts. What truly is fundamentally transient cost expectation for torrential slide essentially is Avax a very wise interest in an exceptionally large manner. Torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they fundamentally thought. However, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Avax specialized examination, generally let us most certainly discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, or so they really thought. Market investigation over the absolute last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital money market to $1,195,617,921,172, or so they truly thought. The exceptionally absolute exchanging volume explicitly remains at $24,077,659,794. Kind of additional appearance how Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, which essentially is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Which essentially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,513.42 level after a decay of 0.19%, showing how Avax United States dollar medium-term support really remained at $13.68, which fundamentally is very huge. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum, most certainly has seen a value diminishing of 0.51%. Coming to $1,915.50 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that torrential slide support and opposition levels, and so forth in a genuinely significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $244.84 following a value change of 0.97% within a similar time span, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, explicitly is up by 1.54, and right now exchanging at 48 cents in a by and large significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an in every practical sense, significant way. These occasions really show that the market certainly is going in an especially descending course, for sort of momentary in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, a general quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33% in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Torrential slide backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to truly recognize commonly key cost levels, where the pattern can take an alternate route, which basically is genuinely huge. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers certainly become genuinely more essentially dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how support truly is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become in every way that really matters, something else all things considered, dynamic and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which dealers certainly become move sort of dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving in every practical sense, higher in an especially huge way. Following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of torrential slide, Avax, torrential slide execution. The exceptionally current torrential slide cost especially is $12.98, with an exchanging volume of $104,981,428 in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, showing how yet prior to jumping in every practical sense, profound into the Avax specialized examination. Truly, let us generally discuss the especially current economic situations, which generally is genuinely critical. Right now, Avax certainly is somewhere near 0.29% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,486,912,815 United States dollars. Exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $244.84. Following a value change of 0.97% within a similar time span in a fundamentally significant manner. Torrential slide value investigation Avax cost examination for 0-2 July 2023. Inside a sort of day-to-day time span, really made sense of beneath, or so they fundamentally thought. We utilize genuinely relative strength index RSI, moving certainly normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including especially straightforward moving sort of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving especially normal, EMA, to really examine the future development of the torrential slide, showing how which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,513.42 level after a decay of 0.19%, exhibiting how Avax United States dollar medium-term support commonly remained at $13.68 in an unobtrusive manner, while Avax's Williams %R pointer in every practical sense is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange, certainly signal in every way that really matters, is somewhat conceivable at this reach, which certainly shows that torrential slide value examination of Avax cost examination for 0-2 July 2023, inside a kind of day-to-day time span, especially made sense of underneath in a significant manner. The Avax United States dollar moving especially normal union and uniqueness, MACD, pointer, truly is showing a truly transient sort of sell really signal, as the MACD line by and large is moving beneath certainly signal line, which in a real sense implies for the most part bears explicitly are ruling on the lookout, in spite of prevalent thinking. The coin in a real sense is going down, as it basically break under two vital help levels of $14.76 and $13.68, which truly shows that right now, a sort of broad by and large bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33% in a sort of huge manner. The market most certainly isn't appropriate for bulls, and by and large bears could take Avax towards the really next help at $12.86. Showing how yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Avax specialized investigation, in a real sense, let us basically discuss the especially current economic situations, which certainly is very huge. The truly relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates